Today we're going to be making the Calamansi punch with Shiva's XV. Hi there, my name is Jane Danger and I'm the National Mixologist for Pernod Ricard North America. We're going to start out with some honey syrup, 3/4 part, just 1 part honey to 1 part water. Next, we're going to do 3/4 parts Calamansi puree. Now we're going to be adding the Shiva's XV. We're going to be doing 2 parts. We're going to add in an orange slice here, so we're going to get a little extra kick of acidity and sweetness in those delicious oils. Going to add our ice, always ice last. Fill it all in there, give it a good hard shake. We have a coupe glass here. Give this a nice strain. We're going to add in the fresh orange wheel. And then we're also going to crack a cinnamon stick to give it that nice extra holiday twist. And here we have it, the Calamansi punch. Cheers.